Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So yeah, in this video today we are going to discuss about the switch statement, okay, in C. So in last video we discussed about the if condition, okay, else and if condition, right? Okay. So first of all, little will I give brief in else if. Okay, what we done, what we learn in else condition. So in else if condition, like there we are written multiple number of codes, okay, or block of codes, okay. So suppose if we are written else if marks is greater than 90 and less than equal to 100, okay, then print a plus, okay, right? These things we are written, right? Again else if condition, okay, marks is greater than 80 and less than equal to 90, then print a, okay. So there we are written multiple number of else if condition we are written, right? Okay. So in switch case just we have to write only one block of code. In that we have to write cases, okay. If so we will see first of all we will see what is the syntax of switch cases, okay, then we will understand, okay. So see syntax, okay. So in switch of mean for a switch case statement to write switch, okay, switch is one type of keyword, okay. So inside we have to write some expression or condition, right? Now how here we are written condition we are written, right? If marks is greater than 90 and less than equal to, then print some statement, okay. Same similar here also, okay. Switch any expression, okay. Suppose I will create one variable num, okay, num equal to 10, okay. So otherwise you can take from user also. If num equal to 10, then you can print the statement, okay. So we will see here case, okay, case 1 you can write anything, okay, case value 1, then a statement 1. You can write multiple statement also, okay. I will write here only one statement, okay, then break. So we will see also why we are using break here, okay. One by one I will explain, no issue, okay. Sorry, here I have to give curly bracket, open curly bracket, okay. Then again case 2, case value 2, okay, then again a statement, then break, okay. So like that we can write multiple cases, okay. So in that if you want to choose any one, okay, no need to print or execute all statement or all cases, okay. If I want only one, if I want to execute this case only, case 2 only, okay, then that should be matched with the expression or condition, okay. That what we will see here, okay. Then we can write by default also, okay, default, okay, then close the bracket, okay. So this is what, this is switch only, right? In one condition, in one block or one switch we are written multiple cases, okay. But in else if it's not there, we have to write multiple else if condition. If else condition is this, if condition is that, again dot, okay. Many things, many else condition we have to write, but in switches it's not there, it's different. In one number of block you can write multiple cases, and which one you want to execute, that one you can print, okay. If you want to print all, that's why we are using break. If you suppose not, if you will not write any break, then it will be, suppose this case is true, okay, this case is executing, then again it will print this case also, okay. Then here break we are given, then it will be executed from this switch only, okay. If you are not written break, then again it will go to the another cases, case 3, okay. So that's what we are using break. If you want to come out from that switch, okay, or that case, you have to write the break, okay. Otherwise it will print all the cases, okay. So we will see with the some example, okay. And I will also explain like why we are using default, okay. Basically default is optional, okay, in switch, okay. suppose all cases is not match, any cases is not match in the case in the switch. Okay, suppose case 1 not match, case 2 also not match, then it will goes to the default. In what default we are giving any a statement, okay, then that should be print. So that's the purpose of default. Okay, that's why we are using default here. Okay, so we will take example. Okay, so write in num. Okay, you can assign the values. So I will take from the user. Okay, print, and in switch we can write also any integer also and char also. Okay, character also. Okay, so we will see both. First of all, see integer value. Okay, so enter any number. Okay, any number. Okay, scanf I am written. Okay, in short, address of num we are taking. Okay, then here writing switch cases. Okay, so switch expression equal to what, num. Okay, any number give. Okay, any number. Okay, then open the bracket. Okay, then from here you can write cases. Okay, so in case 1, it's not like that case 1 case 2, any number you can give, any integer value. Suppose I will give, if case 10. Okay, then print the statement, then print the statement number is equal to 10. Okay, you can print case 1, then break a statement we have to keep. Okay, then again case 2, case take 20. Okay, then print number is equal to 20, then break. Okay, again case 1, then case 50, then print the statement of number is equal to 50. Okay, so again you write multiple cases. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, you want to write, then and finally you have to write default. Okay, then print any statement number not equal to any cases like 10, 20 or 50. Which cases number is given that is not equal to, in default you can print. Okay, then close the switch or block. Okay, so in one switch, in one number of block we are written many cases. Okay, but in else if it's not happen, right, we have to write multiple escape. Okay, so better you use switch cases. Okay, so here see we are giving any number. Suppose if number I given 100. Okay, if I am number given, user given any number 100. Okay, so it will come on the switch, number equal to, will check case 1. First of all it will check is case is matching with this. No, here 10 is there, case 10 is there. Okay, but we are given number 100, it's not matching, then it will not go inside. It will come, it will check another cases, then it will check second cases. His number is 100, no, it's 20 only. So again it will be go to another cases. Okay, so it will check another case third. Okay, so this is 100, no, 50 only. Okay, then again it's wrong. Okay, then there is no any another case, then it will be what, it will jump to the default session. Okay, or default here. So in default it will print number not equal to either 10, 20 or 50, no one. Okay, so this is what the switch cases. Suppose you are given 10. Okay, number is given by user is 10 only. Okay, then you will check case 1. Okay, case 10 is matching, then it will go inside the statement and print number is equal to the 10. Okay, this number is equal to 10, then it will be break. That's why we are using break. Okay, suppose if you are not use break. Okay, suppose up to here clear, right? Number is taken 10. Case first is matching, number is 10 only, then it will print the statement number is equal to 10. That what the output will come. Okay, and it will break the switch or a statement here only. Okay, suppose break is not there. Okay, understand, break is not there, then what it will do, it will execute another case also. Okay, first of all it will check first cases and it will print the output what is the whatever. Okay, then again it will go to the case 2. So yeah, case 2 20. Okay, and it will print also this one also, because we are not using any break statement. If we used that switch, that case will execute there only. But if you are not using any break keyword, then it will be go to the another cases. Okay, then it will also print. Okay, then here it will break. Okay, break we are given, then here it should be print, it will not print another cases. Okay, so this is what the use of break keyword. Okay. Okay, I hope it was clear. Okay, next default. Okay, default, as I said, if I will give number 100, it will check all the 3 cases or how many cases there. It's no, it's up to you only. If any case is not match, okay, then it will be jump to default. Okay, then what is the statement, it should be print there. So yeah, this is what the switch cases. Okay, we will take the example of char. Okay, this is for integer. I will explain the character. Okay, I will take example. Yeah guys, if you guys like my video or information, please like and subscribe. Okay, and share it. Okay, so next we will see, we will take example as a character. Okay, so okay, char, take ch as a variable. Okay, then again take from the user only. Okay, enter any character. Okay, char. Okay, then scanf okay. So here write the switch, what is the character ch. Okay, then open the bracket. Okay, suppose we have to write case. Okay, always a string in single character in single quotation. Okay, then print the case 1 I am taken a, then again print anything, write what you want to write as a character or as a string there. Okay, so yeah, print good morning, okay, then break the statement. Okay, if you will not give break, then it will print the, or it will execute the another case also. Okay, if we are given break, then it will execute up to here only. Okay, it will not print another cases. Okay, so it will come from the that case. Okay, so next case 2 e. Okay, then print good after no. Okay, then break. Okay, then again take another cases m. Okay, then print good right. Okay, okay, so again break, then take default, then print the statement what is good in morning. Okay, what is good in morning, then close the bracket. Okay, you can write here also another statement. Okay, switch is done, then you can write the other statement like okay, go to home, anything. Okay, okay, but up to here you have to write. Okay, so here we will see enter any character. Okay, taking the address of that character. We are in switch, what we will do here, giving enter any character. Suppose you want to enter I given B, okay, I enter Y user, enter B, okay. So it will check the first case, is there B? No, then it will not is good, okay. Then again another case it will take, is there B? No, he is there, okay. Then another it will check another cases, is there B? No, M is there. So it will not is. So what we will do next, it will go to the default. What is good in the morning, that what it should be print. What is good in the morning, that should be print, okay, because the case is not matching what the user given character or character word, okay. So suppose if you are enter E, okay, user it's enter E, then it will check it will come on the switch, it will go the first case, okay, it will check is there E? No, then it will check another cases, okay. So another case it will check, yeah, he is there, then the statement will print good afternoon, okay. Then after it will break, okay. So if break is not there, then again it will print to another cases, okay. This case will also print, okay. If here also not break is there, then it will print another cases, okay, if is there is, okay. If it is break, then it will be come from that cases only, okay, or switch, okay. So this is what the switch cases, okay. I hope you got something, okay. Understand the concept, you can play as you want, okay. Write anything, take example, okay. So yeah, this is what the switch case statement, okay.